Can you please repeat for the camera?
I said only real men gobble down glizzies.
All right, we're finally getting around to putting in the digital gauges.
We're just kind of like trying to figure out how we're gonna set it up. And then this one. So that has to go through the firewall.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so this is my idea. We're just putting some hard material on it so we can push it through and not have to barely get it through there. So he's gonna maneuver it through the hole. And I'm gonna grab it once it goes through.
You see it?
Yeah. It's yeah, straight in. Oh yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and pull it through and take the tape off.
No, the wire's like, I can't get it through because the wire. All right, we got to pull it through. We had to take it out and like readjust it. It was just a little bent. So yeah, now we're just gonna do some adjustments up there so we don't tear anything off. And then, all right, so we decided we're gonna put a piece of wood from here to hold the box and stuff. Caveman mind, he decided to eyeball it. So he has not seen the fitment yet. I just got it back from the cutting. He was like, oh, I'm gonna just use my fingers. It's about that long. So let's see. Let's see if it fits or not. Like that. Or like down here, probably like that. Something like that. All right, let's drink him on with all bad news. Is this the longer piece or the shorter piece?
It's the shorter piece.
Oh. Well, good thing we have a longer piece.
Too short?
Yeah.
How short?
Like an inch or two. No, if it's.
I was gonna say, yeah, it's about an inch or two right there. 2 inches.
You know,
The next one would have worked.
it's like that much on the metal.
On the middle?
On the metal, like that much wood on the metal.
Oh, okay. So we're like perfect.
Yeah.
So I balled it.
Yeah.
I balled perfect. Like normal. Like Elden Ring. Come on! What the f***, dude? Fuck!
Man, when you eyeballed Juan's brakes that one day, that was
not good. I was tired that day, dude. I had an excuse.
What's your plan?
Well, we're just running this to first of all, this is a PSA. Don't eat In-N-Out. We ate In-N-Out for lunch. My shit, I can't stop sweating.
Yeah. I'll show you some pictures.
And they smell like hamburgers. All right, anyways, we're running this for the main power for the dash. So 12-volt power. So it's got to go straight to the battery.
Yeah. All right, I see it. Oh yeah, that was way easier. Way easier when it's just one wire and the thing's flat. All right, YouTube, sorry for the copyrighted music, but we are, or I am at least, putting in the holes for the little dash component thing, which is nowhere to be found. That's fantastic. And he's doing wiring still, which I have nothing to know of, so this is a good combination. Oh yeah, but I got these two holes drilled. Basically right on dot. This one's a little, like maybe a millimeter off center. Both of them are, but there's an error percentage, so it's fine. And yeah, no, I don't know what to do, so I'll just ask him. All right, we just got back from the store. He connected the constant power wire. And then when he was doing that, I put in that thing I think I already showed you guys. And then I put in a secondary third screw over here. You can see it, I'll zoom into it. Just so it's more steady, so it doesn't weaken those, and so that thingy doesn't fall off when we're driving, because that'd be pretty bad. But now he's just getting the auxiliary power all sort. They're done.
Long day? Huh?
So when I was at practice, he changed the oil on the truck and just dropped something that would... it's probably important, I don't know. Did you drop the oil thing?
Yeah.
So...
Hopefully you didn't mess it up.
Yeah.
$2,000 years later.
Oil?
No oil.
Yay!
It all just...
That's yay, but not yay, because that means
We're low.
slow.
It all just comes rushing out right now.
I have
Right now we're just putting some white
6 and 4
thread
with the window voice
stuff.
between 3 and 7.
I don't know what it's
Pretty
called.
wide
Just so it doesn't
window voice.
do any
And
leaking.
look, this
Just for
Glenwood
safety
Springs
and
team has a lot of potential.
so we don't have to do
and
this
can make
again.
a playoff push with the weapons they have. It will be tough. Some might still pass the ball here, but I think they had some great athletes there in the quarterback, and I mean that's definitely big time, right? You can't complain about that. Defensively, I wish there was more. I felt and our defense, he also had 45 tackles and 6 tackles for us. He is an underrated.
He says that he has like
gout
gout or something in his hand.
Hopefully, see him get some college offers as he does have that D1
I think
size.
it's pretty tight,
Got some
dude.
good players
Yeah,
for
there's.
Ohio State.
You want to
They
see
run
how
the
it looks
ball
like right
a
now?
lot. So having that
Now we're just putting in the oil pressure wires. So he's putting in the ground wire and
Could you explain how it works with the...
oh yes. So this box right here connects to the EFI with this wire. So that gives us like our RPMs, speed once it's calibrated. Or do we need to add something?
The calibration is its own thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, this gives it a couple of things.
RPMs, it did the temperature,
RPMs, temp, voltage.
voltage. I think that's all it really did.
That's basically it. Which saves us a good amount of time still, I think.
Yeah.
This wire here just connects up to the box, obviously. These here are just like ground, power, like constant and auxiliary. And then, as I said before, he's doing the oil pressure.
Which we had to put in.
Yeah, they did not show up on the thing. What's it called? We still have to do the gas too, but to do that, we'd have to...
Well, we'll see. It might work. We just haven't tried it. We have to... All these wires right here.
Yeah.
We have to disconnect some of them because of their lights and stuff like that. They got to connect to this.
Oh. We're just connecting up the lights. So he's doing the high beams, dimmer, I think. Right now, when we already connected up the other lights thing, we just didn't record it. Not very fun.
No, we got to test everything one at a time.
Yeah.
Because they've changed the lights.
Yeah.
They've changed the colors of the wires. They're not the same as what we thought they are.
In the back, they were brown, and up here, they're like gray. This is a quick preview of what this is like.
Okay, so we're testing. This turns it. So we're around. I think that might be it. We got first hit. No, that can't be it. Why is that even giving me something? Oh, you know what? I think it's this one.
Ooh, up to 9. Once we do find it, we strip it.
I'm in love with the stripper. Adjust it again. Shoulder hurts. Arms hurt. Hands are killing me. They're blinding me. You know. Moral of the story: once you're past 40, stuff just goes downhill. That's right. Now we are marking everything because we were doing a lot of color switches. Yeah, we don't. So each one of these things of wire are like $10. Yeah. So if we were doing each color, we'd be pretty broke. So we're all this is gonna be behind the dash. Nobody's gonna see it. So as long as we mark them, we should be in pretty good shape. We're still curious about what those pink wires are. They're hot. He thinks that they're the but hot ignition. What's it called? He thinks that they're the gas. Might be. I don't know anything, so. So, how come your brothers keep asking you to help them fix their cars? Because when you're 5 to 10 years younger than them. Well, one of them, the mechanic was going to charge him $900 or something to replace one brake rotor and pad. Just single pad too, no, not the pair. So he just needed help out there. I don't think Jake knows much about tools or cars. He is a tool. But I think like maybe the grinding or the painting was longer. Yeah, I don't know. That one suspension side was really long, but then we did the other one. Well, I didn't really put a lot of time into it though. You know what I mean? Yeah. I didn't dedicate myself to it all winter. Would work on it here and there, but no big deal. And then when I dedicated myself to the other side, it like hammered it out in like 3 days. After a quick nap, we came back. We found the fuel, we believe. Yeah. I still can't figure out how to take these wires out, so we're gonna have to cut it like we did earlier. I know how to take them out. Just rip them out. Okay, let me have a knife. Can you please repeat for the camera? I said only real men gobble down glizzies. And you're a man. Yeah. We're talking about hot dogs here, right? Or did I get the vernacular just incorrect? Vernacular? What does that mean? Wow. You're in high school and have high school English classes and you don't know what vernacular means? Well, Mom never taught me that word. Your fucking teacher should be fired. Who's your English teacher? Mr. Walls. That
great, cheerful man.
Oh, don't put that in there. He watches these videos. Mr. Walls, I know you're watching this. You failed. He doesn't know what vernacular means. I'm going to leave it up to him to look it up if he's curious. I'm not going to tell him. Okay, so, got the box up again. Now we're just cleaning up the bottom, so it's just not wires hanging at our feet. Why are you blinding me, bro? Blind you back. Alright, let me mark all these things. I said I was going to. Alright, so it's been a while. I had to go to football practice, but he got it all installed. Dude does not have the screws in yet, but you know, it's because we didn't buy enough. But it looks very good. So let's get a kind of wide shot of it. Let's go to 0.5 like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and turn on the keys. Hopefully, he says everything works with a wink. So we'll see here if I could figure out where the keyhole is. Oh yeah, let me turn off the lights. So obviously the lights aren't on, but if I do this, nothing happens. There we go. Oh, it's because the lights are about to die. That's why. There we go.
Looks very nice. Can't really pick it up on the camera very good, but it's very clear. It kind of looks shaky on the camera. Yeah, very nice. Let's go ahead and turn off the light so it doesn't die. Let's see if the cigarette lighter works. We also got wipers. They don't work because we don't have the fuse in. Turn this on. Set that down. So yeah, right now he says he does say that the oil doesn't work, which it might just have to get calibrated. The fuel doesn't work. That has to get calibrated. Speedometer definitely needs to get calibrated, and temp works. Oh, look, this works too. It's a little orange. Probably would have been hotter if I grabbed it immediately, but oh, I wish I would focus. Looks so cool. We had to take everything out and put it back in because we forgot to put the speed.
Yeah,
but
I took a little video of that thing, of the sensor.
We forgot to put the sensor in because we thought this would do it, but it didn't, sadly.
I thought it measured pulses off of the fuel injector, but I'm an idiot. I don't know anything about cars. I just watch YouTube. So anyways, it needed its own thing to measure pulses, so we put that in.
Oh, what's that?
It's one of your dumb teammates.
Yeah. Every sticker adds 10 horsepower.
10 horsepower.
10 horsepower.
Alright, so we're about to measure the
okay.
We set the speedometer according to the directions. It just makes stuff up like we did earlier.
We use my phone app. So we do not know if it's
we're gonna check with the radar here if it's accurate up here.
See, it's moving. Only thing that does not work is the oil pressure.
Yeah, which we'll fix that later today probably. Just gotta move it.
Yeah. All right, we're coming up on it.
Okay, so I'm going about 39, 38 right now. Dude, that is
32.
Actually, let me see.
25, 30. Okay.
That's about right. That's about right.
Oh, it goes up by 10. Okay. Oops.
Yeah, each mark is 2.
Did not see.
It goes up by 10, but each mark is 2. So I was at about 32, 33. So we might be off by a mile per hour, maybe 2. That's not too bad.
Yeah.
I'll take that over not knowing anything.
Okay, I think we're going 35. I'm not sure.
Now let's go.
Wow, the engine got cooler when we went faster. All right, so that, what was that, 80?
Yeah, we're at 70 now.
Imagine driving down the highway this loud.
Want to test it with your phone?
Sure.
So
What?
you know what else this thing does?
What?
It'll measure your quarter mile and your 0 to 60 time.
Really?
Yeah. I accidentally found it in the menus. So at some point we're gonna have to check that out. Not right now, we'll do it at night.
Yeah.